After the iOS 13.4, some owners of the iPhone X reported that their devices powered down and would no longer turn on. Such a problem can be a sign of a serious hardware issue, especially if you dropped your iPhone at some point. But as long as it's not due to physical damage, you should be able to fix it on your own. So in this video, I will be showing you what to do with your iPhone X that won't turn on. First solution: forced restart. Basically, if this is just due to a firmware crash, or even if it's caused by some system-related issues, you can fix it by doing the forced restart, or the simulated battery removal. What you need to do is quickly press and release the volume up, and then do the same to the volume down button. And immediately after releasing the volume down, press and hold the power key. Most of the time the iPhone would turn on if it's done correctly. So when the Apple logo shows on the screen, release the power key and wait until the device has finished the boot process. If your iPhone won't turn on due to a minor firmware issue, then it should be fixed by now. However, if it's still not responding, then try the next procedure. Second solution: charge your iPhone and do the forced restart. It's possible that the problem is caused by a drained battery. Sometimes if the device is left to run out of juice, the firmware may crash just before it turns off. To rule this out, here's what you need to do. Plug the charger to a working wall outlet, and connect your iPhone X to it using the original Lightning cable. Regardless of whether the charging symbol shows or not, leave it connected to the charger for at least 10 minutes. After a few minutes of charging and while the iPhone is still connected to the charger, do the forced restart once again. Most of the time, an iPhone that has some issues with the firmware and won't turn on will be fixed by either of these procedures. However, if the problem continues even after this, then it's time to schedule an appointment at the Genius Bar. I hope that we've been able to help you one way or the other. Please subscribe to our channel and enable the notifications. Thanks for watching.